Envoy 3613 traffic is 6 o'clock 4 miles at flight level 210 Boeing B748. Report them in sight. AF 4445 traffic is 11 o'clock 4 miles at 17,000 feet generic. Report them in sight.
AF 4445, have the traffic.
Envoy 3613 contact Chicago Center on 127.55.
Hello, my lord.
Good day.
Immagine. Beautiful, but I arrive at Chicago soon. I descend with my big aircraft. It's like Michigan Lake. Michigan Lake close.
AF 4445 contact Chicago Center on 127.55.
Copy, Roger. Will go copy, I say to you.
127.55 AF 4445.
Roger.
Chicago Center AF 4445 flight level 180.
AF 4445 Chicago Center QNH 30.44 continue as planned. AF 4445 traffic is 11 o'clock 2 miles at 15,500 feet generic. Report them in sight.
AF 4445, have the generic in sight.
Copy. Copy, I say to you, Roger. Will go copy.
Chicago Center on 125.
Hello, beautiful girl. How are you? How are you, beautiful girl?
6139er, contact Chicago Center on 128.5. Good day.
Copy. But
128.5, repeat on 6139er. 125.1 for SkyWest 4804.
soon I will arrive. Because aircraft, it's here my aircraft, but be careful because don't crash. Imagine if I crash, it's very bad after. Of course. It's the lake, Michigan, close to Chicago.
6 o'clock less than 1 mile 10,800 feet, Boeing B748. Report them in sight.
Copy, Roger, will go.
AF 4445 traffic alert. 11 o'clock less than 1 mile 13,300 feet generic. Report them in sight.
Je m'en fous de ton trafic,
Chicago
Raoul.
Center Spirit Wings 511 Heavy is at flight level 355, descending 10,000 feet. Spirit Wings 511 Heavy Chicago Center, continue as planned.
AF 4445, have the traffic.
Envoy 3613 traffic in sight. Envoy 3613 contact Chicago Center on 125.1. Good day.
Because soon I will arrive.
125.1 Envoy 3613. AF 4445 contact Chicago Center on 120.35. Good day.
Copy. Copy, Roger, will go.
120.35 AF 4445.
Envoy 3613 Chicago Center QNH 30.40 continue to GIBNS as planned.
Chicago Center AF 4445, 10,300 feet.
AF 4445 Chicago Center QNH 30.40 continue as planned. AF 444, 5 traffic alert. 11 o'clock less than 1 mile, 11,500 feet, generic. Report them in sight. Envoy tree 613 traffic is 6 o'clock, 1 mile, at 9,300
Ah, oui.
feet, Boeing B748.
Aircraft, I saw.
Report them in sight.
AF 4445, have the traffic.
You saw? It's aircraft.
Chicago Center Skywest 3180 is passing 9,500 feet, climbing
Aircraft.
10,000 feet.
One aircraft, another aircraft.
Skywest tree 180,
Imagine.
Chicago Center QNH 30
imagine.
continue to GIDNS as planned.
Copy, Roger. We'll go, I say to you, but.
Envoy tree 613, have the traffic. Skywest tree 180, contact Chicago approach on 119.0. Good day.
What time? Completely crazy.
119.0 for Skywest tree 180.
Hey, descent, please.
AS 4445, contact Chicago approach on 120.55. Good day. Envoy tree 613, contact Chicago approach on 124.35. Good day.
One two zero decimal 5 AF 4445. Chicago approach AF 4445, 9,300 feet.
AF 4445 Chicago approach QNH 30.40, continue as planned.
One, two, three, four. Copy, Roger, welcome. Be careful, because after very bad. Hello. Copy, Roger, welcome. Very beautiful. But. Carla, Pratt, Cisco. Maybe. Descent, Marc Sabatini, CO chef exécutif officier, $2 142 000. Wow. Ah, oh putain merde, j'ai fait un overspeed. Pas possible ça. Ouais. Ça c'est con.
2500.
Moi j'ai pu faire un overspeed, c'est pas possible. Very beautiful, huh? Michigan Lake. Michigan Lake. Oh, maybe I saw one aircraft. Imagine. Oh, wow. On the beach. Oh, a lot of snow. Yeah, because -16 like in Varsovia, Holland. Here is United States, Chicago. But a lot of snow, huh? A lot. Oh, a lot of car, but a lot of snow, huh? Of course. Beautiful. But. Very cold, huh? Sure. But. Beautiful, huh? Rien. Very bad weather. Very bad weather. Don't want to crash, of course. Because very bad. J'ai fait un overspeed de circonce.
Find contact approach on 120.25. Good day.
Copy.
One 120.25 AF 4445. Approach AF 4445, 3,000 feet.
AF 4445 approach QNH 30.35. Continue as planned. AF 4445 contact Chicago approach on 133.5. Good day.
Going to 133.5 AF 4445. Chicago approach AF 4445, 3,000 feet.
AF 4445 Chicago approach QNH 30.37. Continue as planned. AF 4445 contact Rockford approach on 121. 1.0. Good day.
Copy, little coquina.
Going to 121.0 AF 4445. Rockford approach AF 4445, 3,000 feet.
AF 4445 Rockford, approach QNH 30.37, continue as planned.
Crac. Shore is very cold outside. Wow.
AF 4445 contact Rockford approach on 126.0. Good day.
Copy, Roger, welcome, copy. Icon. Yeah, nothing. Oh, very bad weather.
Going to 126.0 AF 4445. Rockford approach AF 4445, 3,000 feet.
AF 4445 Rockford approach QNH 30.40, continue as planned.
Of course, I continue as planned, but. Very bad weather, huh? Very bad weather. It's good because I have my radar, but it's not very better weather. Voilà my opinion. Chicago. United States, Chicago is today samedi 15 janvier 2022. Yo imagine. Et moi je t'aime et toi tu m'aimes, toi tu m'aimes et moi je t'aime à toi. Et nous aime et vous aime, et nous t'aime, et toi tu m'aimes, et moi je t'aime et toi tu m'aimes, ta-da-da-da, ta-da-da-da. FM. Dun, 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 dun. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da.
AF 4445 contact Chicago approach on 133.5. Good day.
Copy, Roger, welcome.
One tree decimal 5 for AF 4445. Chicago approach AF 4445, 3,000 feet.
AF 4445 Chicago approach QNH 30.8 continue as planned.
Il fait moins 12 degrés. Copy. Ok, Roger, welcome. It goes. Aircraft agricole. Cisco. Ah putain, je suis en train de m'endormir. I can see nothing.
AS4445 contact Chicago approach on 119er, decimal 0. Good day.
Copy and Roger, we go.
119er decimal 0 for AF4445. Chicago approach AF4445, 3,000 feet.
AS4445 Chicago approach QNH 30.35. Continue as planned. traffic is 11 o'clock, 4 miles at 2,700 feet, Boeing B748. Report them in sight.
Copy, Roger, Waco, copy. I say to you, copy.
AF 4445 traffic is 10 o'clock, 3 miles at 4,600 feet, generic.
C'est comme je m'en
Report
fous.
them in sight.
Je m'en fous de ton trafic là. D'autres choses à faire que m'occuper de ton trafic, Raoul. I am alone on the
Envoy
board.
4439er traffic in sight.
Copy, Roger, Waco.
AF 4445, have the generic in sight.
Sérieux, je vois rien. La piste Raoul.
Chicago approach, United 1847, 9,000 feet. United 1847 Chicago approach QNH 30.37, continue to FDRLL as planned.
Ok, je la vois. Putain.
United 1847 climb and maintain 8,000 feet.
Copy, Roger, Wilco. Copy, 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 copy. Don't worry, don't worry.
Climb and maintain 8,000 feet. United 1847.
Shut up, my love.
Brickyard 3420 traffic is 1 o'clock, 4 miles at 9,000 feet, generic. Report them in sight. United 1847 traffic is 2 o'clock, 3 miles at 9,000 feet, generic. Report them in sight.
Brickyard 3420 traffic in sight.
United 1847 climb and maintain 7,000 feet. Brickyard 3420, please expedite your climb 9,000 feet.
Copy, Roger, Wilco. Copy, copy,
Brickyard
copy.
3420, contact Chicago Center on 127.075.
No problemo, no problemo.
Good day.
Copy, good day, but...
Climb and maintain 7,000 feet. United 1847. United 1847 has the traffic.
Traffic
Envoy
alert.
4439er traffic is 11 o'clock, 4 miles at 8,000 feet, generic. Report them in sight.
Alert of
United
traffic.
1847 climb and maintain 6,000 feet. Envoy 4439er has the traffic. Climb and maintain 6,000 feet. United 1847. Envoy 4439er traffic alert. 9 o'clock, less than 1 mile, 7,500 feet, generic. Report them in sight. Envoy 4439er, please expedite your climb 9,000 feet.
Roger, welcome. But, I say to you. What, 1 minute?
United 1847 climb and maintain 5,000 feet.
118,050. 119.
Envoy 4439er, have the generic in sight.
Ground AF4445 request taxi to parking.
AS4445 taxi to General Aviation Parking via taxiway November 5, November Foxtrot, Bravo Romeo Tango Romeo cross runway 9 right Romeo Echo Echo 1 Delta Charlie Tree Yankee Yankee.
Yankee, Yankee, yeah.
Taxiing to General Aviation Parking using taxiway November 5 November Foxtrot Bravo Romeo Tango Romeo cross runway 9 right Romeo Echo Echo 1 Delta Charlie Tree Yankee Yankee AF4445.
We'll stop this because I don't need now. Beautiful arc-en-ciel. Ready? Yeah, but ready. Single. Ready. Chicago, ready.
SkyWest 4640, hold position, caution, the generic on final.
Copy, really. Eggy, be careful because I will crush to you if you don't want to move.
Hold position, SkyWest 4640.
Final. Copy. I say to you copy, but you say to me no copy because okay, Roger, will go. I will stop here because it's good. Motor, engine left, stop. Ah là là. Et voilà, I arrive at Chicago. Welcome to Chicago. Welcome to Chicago. What is it? Big aircraft, this aircraft? But very bad weather. Okay, I will stop my... this is okay, it's good. Okay, thank you very much all for watching this video with me, and I say to you, see you soon for another video and another fly. Maybe in United States, or maybe in Poland, maybe in Germany, etc. Okay, thank you very much, and see you soon. Okay, bye bye.